Today we're going to be checking out one of the most beautiful 1965 Mustang Fastbacks that we've had here at Coyote Classics. This thing is just an absolute showstopper and a resto mod.
Fantastic color. Very similar to the 65 Mustang we just got in here, the little coupe. A gorgeous dark blue metallic, riding on a super nice set of Foose rims. Just really overly restored on the engine bay. Engine bay is all painted body color, bottom of the hood. Aluminum heads. Beautiful engine, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. And it's got air conditioning.
Power steering, air conditioning, aluminum radiator. Shelby stripes. This car is sweet. We had this car and about 8 other ones in the local parade on Saturday, and this was definitely a fan favorite, Dalton. We had a lot of compliments on all of them, but everyone loved the blue one the best.
Yeah, it's a sharp looking car. Disc brakes up front, but yeah, beautiful under the hood.
It's one of the main reasons I fell in love with it was the color and just what they did under the hood. It's just fantastic. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. We're going to take some undercarriage photos of it as well. Frame rails, trunk, floors, everything rust free and excellent.
Really good body lines on it. Also an important note, it's got a 5-speed manual transmission too, which makes this thing really practical and fun to drive.
Yeah. I don't know how many years is on this restoration. I'd say a couple. Still very, very beautiful show quality car. When it came in here, we went ahead and installed a Bluetooth digital radio and went and put the classic auto air in it. We figure whoever wants a cool car like this has got to have air.
Yep.
Tires are in great shape. Hancooks. Like you pointed out earlier, Dalton, the gaps and stuff are really nice. The back of the hood fits great. Top of the door fits nicely as well.
A lot of metallic in that blue. It's a really pretty color.
Just like anything, nothing's perfect. There is a little bit of a clear coat run right here. Very small in the rocker panel. All new door handles and gaskets. Looks like a set of 18s on the back. Are they 17s on the front maybe? Kind of looked a little smaller maybe.
Yep, 17s.
17s on the front. Wheel wells are excellent as well. Dual exhaust sounds great.
It's got the pony interior too.
Bottom corners of the doors are rust free. Inside behind the fenders are rust free as well. You can see by the way the door jambs and stuff were, every single thing on this car was taken apart and painted. It's got the pony interior. All the lights work on the inside. The headliner's super tight. The dash is gorgeous. Classic auto air, 5-speed, original shifter. It's got a chrome tilt column, aftermarket steering wheel, retro sound radio with Bluetooth. Tail lights, tail light chrome, back bumper, exhaust tips, all that chrome is excellent and new. If you look up and down the sides, laser straight body.
All the glass looks really clean on it as well.
Very nice, and the trim around the glass is very important to point out. It's nice. It's got the fold down rear seat. All the chrome louvers in here in great shape.
This is just a beautiful car. Yeah. One of my favorites.
It's definitely the best 65, 66 that we've owned here. We've owned a lot of them.
Yeah, we have. We own a lot of nice ones too.
Yep. I think the aluminum heads, the 5-speed, the air, the wheels, tires, color combo. I mean, it's just got everything going for it.
Yeah, it does.
don't see too many of this color either. You see a lot of red and black ones, but the dark navy blue is excellent. Here's your factory trim tag. Color is K, was original. Trim is 66, date 26A, DSO is 22, axle 1, trans 5. Again, both corners of the doors are rust free. All the interior lights are working as they should. It's got the wood grain here. The wood grain on the dash is all new and perfect. Door panel's beautiful. As you come in and out of this, seats are in excellent condition. Tilt wheel. It's got 17,895 miles on the odometer. I'm not sure if they went ahead and did new gauges. All the gauges look really clear, so I don't know if it's what it's got for miles on the restoration, but I don't think 17,000.
That thing sounds sick.
It sounds awesome. Heater works, air conditioning's brand new. Oil pressure gauge works, gas gauge, temp gauge, and amp gauge. It's also very important to say it does have an aluminum radiator. We went through the parade. It did not overheat. Just like all of them, it got way over towards the warm, you know, the hot side. But even during a parade without an electric fan, it did a great job. Excellent. I have another thing to point out, just around the detail. It's got the little brand new visors and the bushings, and rear's tire new. It goes 60 mile an hour in second gear. Those disc brakes are perfect. I really like that Resto mod steering column as well. Yeah, isn't that nice?
Yeah, it's a neat one. I've never seen that wheel before. But it makes it nice, you know, for bigger
all
guys.
Stainless. Did a beautiful job when they painted the dash. Painted all these pieces in here. It's got seat belts in the front, 2 seat belts in the back. Exceptional car. Clutch feels really nice as well. I like that they went ahead and they found the right style gear shifter with the 5-speed in it.
Don't just sound fast, it is fast.
It is. Isn't that great? Look at this thing. I know it's hot, but it's fun to look at this one. It's fantastic. Speedometer's got to be off, though. The shows you're doing about 110 there. I know that wasn't right. It doesn't bounce at all. It's just off a little bit. It shows you're doing 80. I'm guessing we're doing maybe 65. So. But there's absolutely no play in that steering wheel. No shake, no shimmy, nothing. It's just fantastic. There's your brakes. Sinker all the way right down there, moving into first. That gives you a good idea of things. Straight back, and up and fifth. Now we're cruising.
Yeah, the 5 makes it so nice for, you know, taking down the highway.
And it'll handle it better with air that way too. Yeah. Keep your RPMs down. As far as the windshield, you're right. The windshield's gorgeous. The back glass is new.
So is our side glass is really clean as well.
So this thing doesn't only have beautiful paint, solid floors, all the upgrades that a guy's going to want. It rides and drives excellent, and you just feel great inside of it. Yeah. A lot of leg room, headroom. Seats are comfortable.
It's a sweet car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Put a link in the description there. You'll see price, pictures, undercarriage photos, the whole 9 yards.